Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send Cardano from your Ledger Nano X to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know security is key, and this step-by-step guide will help you move your ADAs safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, this process is straightforward once you know the ropes. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up with the Cardano app installed. If not, head to the Ledger Live app on your computer and download it. It's quick and essential for managing your hardware wallet. Once that's ready, open the Cardano app on your Ledger device and connect it to your computer via USB. Now, let's switch over to Trust Wallet. Download or open the app on your smartphone and create or access your wallet. You'll need to find your Cardano receiving address. Tap on the ADA asset, then hit Receive to generate a new address. Copy that address carefully. It's your destination for the transfer. Back on your computer, in Ledger Live, select your Cardano account and choose the Send option. Enter the amount of ADA you want to transfer, making sure to double-check for any fees. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field, and review everything one last time to avoid mistakes. Hit Confirm on your Ledger device when prompted. It's the extra security layer that makes hardware wallets awesome. Once the transaction is signed, you'll see a confirmation on the blockchain, usually within a few minutes. And just like that, your Cardano is now in Trust Wallet. Remember, always verify transactions and keep your seeds phrases secure. If you run into any issues, Ledger's support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.